How to change message color on Android. So if you want to change the message color on your Android, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your messages application. Once you open up your messages, you can go with the profile, which is on the top right. And if you go with messages settings, then here you don't have an option to change the message color. In order to that, what you can do is you can just simply go and choose the theme. So tap on choose theme and you can choose light, dark, or system default. So I'll just simply go with dark and tap on OK, and your theme will be changed. And you can also change some wallpapers, and after changing your wallpapers, your message color might be changed. But on messages or on Android, we don't have the option to change the message color. Like if you're using Messenger or Instagram, then you will be able to change your message color by changing the theme inside that. But on the messages application, unfortunately, we don't have that option yet. So that's it. You can only change the theme and not the message color. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.